Talking about tire wear, it can be tricky. Customers visiting their friendly neighborhood tire dealer are likely already on edge about unexpected costs, and the moment you tell them their tread is low, well, their guard is going to go up. So let's talk about how to talk about tire wear without sounding like you're preparing them to drop a few $100 next. One of the easiest ways to lose trust is by jumping straight into a recommendation without showing the customer what led you to that recommendation. Instead of starting with what they should do, start with what you see. Maybe that means pointing out the wear pattern on a specific tire on the vehicle and how it differs from what a healthy tire should look like. When customers can see the wear themselves, the conversation changes immediately. It also helps to avoid labels. Terms like cupping or feathering or irregular wear, these don't mean much to most drivers. So try describing wear in plain language. You could say one edge is wearing faster or the tread is wearing unevenly, things like that. These keep the focus on observation instead of persuasion. Now, context matters too. A tire with noticeable wear isn't automatically a problem that needs fixing today. Explaining whether the wear is something to monitor, something to address soon, or something that explains a current complaint the driver came in with helps the customer understand where they stand. Another key piece is separating cause from recommendation. So show the wear first. Explain what typically creates that kind of wear, then talk about what options make sense moving forward. You're simply there to inform, and it's the customer's job to make the call. At the end of the day, explaining tire wear should never be about closing a sale. It's about helping customers understand what their tires are telling you. When you lead with clarity instead of pressure, you build trust, and the decision to buy usually takes care of itself. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm David Sickles coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.